How to get Canva Pro in 2024. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to get Canva Pro, what you simply need to do is open up or launch the Canva application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, over here at the bottom of the screen, you can see different menus from home, projects, templates. Now just tap on Pro, and as you tap on Pro, here you can see to use the Canva Pro, you can get a 14-day free trial. So tap on 14-day free trial. And as you do that, here you can just see you can try Canva Pro for free. So you can tap on start my free trial. And as you do that, here you can select the package of monthly or yearly Canva Pro charges that it might take you. So you can just select any of the option, and then as you do that, you can start trial and subscribe. As you do that, it will just give you this new page or new pop-up. So here you just have to mention your payment method. You can just tap on add credit or debit card, and you just have to mention a card number over here, and you'll be able to subscribe and get Canva Pro after your 14-day free trial. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.